Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another DB2 SQL function which is SINH. SINH function is mainly used to calculate the hyperbolic of sine for the given angle. So whenever you provide any value to this function, SINH function or a hyperbolic of sine function, then it calculates the hyperbolic of sine in terms of radians and store it into the either if you are using it inside SQLRPGLE program, it will store into your host variable, and if you are using on normal query, then it will print in the screen. Okay, so we will see both the methods, like how we can utilize this function inside SQLRPGLE program as well as in the normal query. So let's start with the program first. So in program, what I'm doing here, first of all, I just declared the constant which is SQL state underscore valid 5 times zeros, and then this constant we are going to use to verify the query whether it is executed properly or not, just to verify that. Okay, then we have one variable, result1 variable, which we will be using to store the output that we are retrieving from the query. Then we have this commit option, star none. This is optional thing, so if you want to skip this, you can skip. For now, like for particular this program, it is optional. Here we are using the main query with the function. So syntax is quite simple. You just need to write exec SQL, which is execute SQL, select SINH of 3 into result variable. So what it will do, it will calculate the hyperbolic of sine value of for 3 and store it into the result1 variable, and this data is coming from sys ibm.systeme1. Once this query is executed, we will verify the same. So here I'm checking if SQL state equals to SQL state underscore valid, then print the result 1, else print the SQL state along with an error message, query ended with an error, and then simply go and do INLR on. Okay, so this is how it works. Let's quickly compile this program and see the output. So you can see it is returning the value as 10. Alright, so this is the method through which we can use the SINH function inside SQLRPGLE program. Now I will show you how we can use the same query but on strSQL. So on strSQL, what I'm doing, I just use the select SINH of 90 as SINH underscore value underscore radians. So this is my alias name. So I'm calculating the hyperbolic of sine 90, but the heading would become like this, SINH value underscore radians, and this is coming from sys ibm.systeme1. So just simply hit enter, as this is a system library, so you can also use the same. So I hit enter and you can see it is printing the value as 6.1020 something. Okay, so yeah, that's the way through which you can easily utilize the SINH function. It is again a trigonometric function, so whenever you are working on an application where you need trigonometric function, then you can simply use the SINH function. So yeah, that's all for this. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session, we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.